Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a practical question that's on a lot of minds. Can you use food stamps to buy those big 5-gallon water jugs in 2025? It's a great query, especially with rising concerns about water quality and household budgets. Let's break it down step by step so you can get the info you need quickly. First, a quick refresher. Food stamps, officially called SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, is a government program designed to help low-income families afford nutritious food. It's managed by the USDA and focuses on items meant for human consumption, like fruits, vegetables, meats, dairy, and even seeds for growing your own food. But what about water? Is that jug of clean drinking water eligible? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. According to current USDA guidelines, bottled water, including 5-gallon jugs, isn't covered under SNAP benefits. Why? Because water isn't classified as a food item. It's seen more as a household essential that's often available from public sources like taps. SNAP is specifically for edible groceries to promote nutrition, not for general utilities or non-food products. Now, let's talk about 2025. Policies can change, and with growing awareness of environmental issues like contaminated water supplies, there might be updates to SNAP rules. For instance, some states could introduce exceptions or expansions, but as of now, nothing has been confirmed. It's always smart to check the latest from the USDA website or your local SNAP office for any regional variations. If you're relying on SNAP and need affordable water options, consider alternatives like buying eligible beverages such as juice or milk with your benefits, or look into community programs for free water access. Remember, using your SNAP wisely can help stretch your budget further. In conclusion, while 5-gallon water jugs aren't purchasable with food stamps right now, staying informed is key. Head over to the USDA site for the most up-to-date info, and if you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday tips. See you next time.